Hello, today I'm playing Don't Press the Button, and if you did not hear me, press that. And I have to attack, okay? Stay back. Stay back. Stay back. I have played this game before, but on the channel, like, offline. Ooh. Oh, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything. Ooh, firework. Boom. Tap. Maybe tap it. Okay. Let's not move. I can use the firework. Okay, I don't know why I'm using the firework. Why did you move? Oh yeah, you can move. But let me press the button. Okay, time to win this thing. I think you have to go from the thing, like, because that's actually where you get all of them. Don't mind me, just don't mind me. Yeah, they don't even care about this. Let's care about the wall. You don't care. Okay, they don't care about this. Yes, we're actually doing something good. Okay, I think we have a chance to win because of me. And no, what did you ruin it? Okay, let me guess, blue team. What? Like, I'm not surprised, blue team, because I have nothing. I don't know what is. I'm gonna link my Discord server down below, so we can play Among Us. When I mean by we, like you guys. Yeah. So we'll link it down below. And this game, if you want to play it, press the button. That's what you get. Did they press the button? Oh. How? I literally went in the middle, basically. What are you doing? You have to go. Oh my geesh. Just bump. Move, what are you doing, girl? Move. We're gonna lose because of you. Okay. Move. No, it's so close. I was like off. But I'm like, boom. Okay, what am I doing? Let me shoot. Did I press it? No. Did I press? Damn it. Okay, this is not good. I have played as a secret before, and it's actually kind of easy. We just touched him. Okay, that's him. 20 seconds of him being stuck. That's good. I think we win. Like, I don't know. It's not firework. Okay, nope. He's found his way. Did we just win? Like, I didn't do anything. Just walked. Then he waddled away. Waddle. The next day, wop. Okay, let's press the button. Ah! Tornado, we could talk. Stay back. Do not come from this corner. This is the cool corner. Wait, what? To be honest, that did not scare me. That said yeet me. It just yeeted me. Sauce. Oh god, I almost fell off. So like, I feel something good be like. Okay, time to go soups. Yes, okay. I look what I'm doing, so this is the angle. Okay. That's close. Why you guys are not doing anything? Oh wait, it doesn't hit the button. Nope. I can just do this. But I will waddle the baby next day. Waddle. Yay! You just stand on the button. Let me tap it. That was me. Yes. I pressed the button. I don't have it. Oh, you get it. I'm not gonna do it because I ain't dying. Wait, what? No. You put it out. But I don't want to. What are you doing? You click. Okay, good job. Miss all guy. Oh no. I honestly don't know. I'm just gonna guess 2. Oh. I read it, then I like, okay, I was going in blind. Okay. After this circle go, I'm gonna end this video because I don't know. Actually, no. Hey, I did it! I did it! I did it! I did it! This is the last button press. It was good. Okay, not the last one because okay, this is the last one because if I die, I'm gonna be mad. No, I think I won. Like, just watching. Watch. Okay, I'm gonna end the video. So bye, like, sub.